Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if fast charging isn't working on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First thing that you should check if your fast charger isn't working correctly with your smartphone is visible damage and compatibility. So just check your charging brick and the charging cable for any visible damage on them. Check if they look secure, and then if they do, then make sure that they are original. Well, maybe even first of all you should check if they are original, because some unoriginal fast charging cables and fast chargers simply may not be compatible with your device. Basically your device has some watts limit, and I'm not even sure we can check it in the settings, but if we could, we would have to go to about device section, and I think we won't be able to check it here. But yeah, so in this case we're gonna have to go and check on the internet. Just give me a moment. Okay, and here we're gonna have to check how many watts is the OnePlus charger, and as you can see it's 80 watts. So maybe your charging brick is simply supplying your device with less than 80 watts of power, and that's the reason. But anyways, I recommend using the original OnePlus charger for the best experience. And the next thing that we should check is whether the fast charging is enabled in settings. So go to battery settings on your smartphone, swipe down to charging settings, and make sure to enable smart rapid charging to make sure to charge your device faster. And that's basically it. At this point everything should be fixed, but still to unroll some other minor issues that could have happened, in this case we should also check system and update, go to software update, and make sure that our device is updated to the latest version. So if your version is up to date, that's great. If it's not, definitely update it to the latest version, and this should resolve your issue. Now, yeah, one last thing. Make sure that your USB Type-C port is not clogged with anything. Yeah, I mean, should have been the first thing I guess, but just now came to my realization. So yeah, just make sure that it's not clogged, and if it's clogged, use a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools. Use a soft brush to gently clean your charging port. And for even better experience, first turn off your smartphone and then do that. And then try your fast charger once again. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.